Here are some of the most effective ways to search for contacts on your iPhone. The first method is using the keypad. Open the phone app and tap on Keypad. Let's say I want to find a contact named Anthony. I'll start by pressing the number that includes A, which is 2. Then for N, I press 6. For T, I press 8. As you can see, the results instantly match the name Anthony. Here's the number you're looking for. Now let me search for a contact named Hales. H is on 4, A is on 2, and Y is on 9. As you can see, both the name and number appear correctly for Hales. You can also search using any part of the number you remember, like this. The second and easiest method is using Spotlight Search. Swipe down on your home screen to open Spotlight Search, then type the contact's name to see results immediately. From here, you can send a message or make a call directly, without opening the phone app, Messages app, or FaceTime app. Now, the third method is searching through contacts. It may take a little longer, but it's simple and great for beginners. Open the phone app on your iPhone. Tap the Contacts tab, then scroll through the alphabetical list to find your contact. Or tap the microphone icon in the search bar to use voice dictation. If it's your first time, enable dictation, then say the name of the person you're looking for, and it will appear in the list. That's it. The fourth and easiest method is using Siri. Just say, "Hey Siri, call Anthony," and your iPhone will place the call. Or say, "Hey Siri, text Anthony," to send a message using Siri. Make sure Hey Siri is enabled in your settings. Go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, tap on Talk to Siri, and select either Siri or Hey Siri to activate it after setup. Those are all the ways to search for contacts on an iPhone. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.